Certainteed structural porch posts, columns, and finishing accessories complement any project, no matter which railing style or system is chosen. Ever-new porch posts are designed for easy installation. No overhead jacking or roof uplift is required, and the mounting plates provide a safe, secure tie-down connection. For our installation, our post needs to be 99 inches. An uncut structural porch post is 108 inches. The bottom section of the post is 45 inches. If you have 36-inch railing being attached to the post, you can remove 6 inches from the bottom, leaving 39. Do not remove more than 6 inches. For 42-inch railing, do not cut anything from the bottom of the post. Now, measure the desired post height, in our case, 99 inches, and subtract 3/4 of an inch to account for the top and bottom mounting plates. If, for any reason, you need to remove the aluminum from the vinyl post, be sure to reinsert the provided foam blocks into the vinyl post with the aluminum. The foam blocks provide additional stability. Next, insert the mounting plates into the post assembly. Position the post in the opening. Spin the post 1/8 of a turn clockwise to expose the screw holes in the bottom mounting plate. Drill pilot holes. Then, attach the plate to the floor using the screws provided. If you're attaching the post to a concrete floor, tap-con anchors are recommended. Repeat the mounting plate attachment process with the top mounting plate. Now, turn the post back into its proper position. Then, pre-drill attachment holes near the bottom of each side of the post using an 11/64 bit. Be sure to penetrate the mounting plate, vinyl post, and aluminum reinforcement insert inside the post. Attach the post using the screws provided on all 4 sides, at both the bottom and top of the post. Finish the structural post off with the vinyl trim pieces provided at the top and bottom. Attach vinyl railing to the post just like any other post installation. Certainteed structural porch column comes with an internal spacer, top and bottom mounting plates, and decorative top trim, mid-trim ring, and bottom trim. If attaching to Certainteed vinyl railing, you'll also need the appropriate vinyl covers. If you have to cut down the column, do so by cutting off the bottom of the column. On the tapered columns, the taper starts at 48 inches from the bottom on 108-inch columns and 60 inches from the bottom on 120-inch columns. To attach a railing to the column spacers must be attached to the correct height. Measure and attach spacers so that the bracket screws will attach to the spacers. Position the first spacer at this height. Pre-drill and attach with one of the included screws. Attach the other half of the spacer in the same way. Now, slide the inner pipe into the column. Slide the mid-ring onto the column from the top. The ring will rest in the offset of the column, placing it 8 inches from the top. Pre-drill into the top of the ring and attach the ring to the column with 2 screws on opposite sides of the column. Next, slide the top trim onto the column, followed by the top mounting bracket. Note how the top cover slides over the mounting bracket to cover the screws. Now, using the provided template, mark the position of the bottom trim. This trim has 2 legs that will recess into the deck or concrete surface. Drill pilot holes to mark these positions. Use this template to also mark the position of the bottom mounting bracket. Drill 1/4 inch holes for the bracket. Then, widen the bottom trim mounting holes with a 1/2 inch drill bit. Test the fit before proceeding. Note: if a railing system is being attached to the column and the lower rail is less than 4 1/4 inches off the surface, before installing the column, the base trim will have to be notched to provide for the rail. See the printed installation instructions for more details. Next, slide the bottom trim onto the column, followed by the mounting bracket. Position the column and attach it to the surface with the 2 mounting screws. Measure up 1 inch from the bracket and mark the column on both sides. Pre-drill 15 64-inch holes through the column, mounting bracket, and inner pipe. Then attach with 4-inch screws. Now, slide the bottom trim down and into position. Finally, attach the railing to the column. Slide on the column vinyl cover, followed by the aluminum bracket, and install as previously shown.